This is hydrogen tap. Just wanted to show you. I've been noticing some garbage on the top of the distilled water. Couldn't figure out what it was, but I found it now. It's the tin turning green on my alligator clips. So I should have looked at that first. So just another piece of data. Okay, what I've done now, there's 0.46 on the amperage, 1205 or 12.5 voltage. And if you look really close, you'll see the bubble configuration on that. This is a straight piece of stainless. The other was the same size with the slots in it. If you look real close, you'll see the same configuration of bubbles across it. In fact, there's actually a little more action on this plate than there was on the other. If you look on the edge there, you'll see again that, I'll call it an illusion, that more is coming up on the edge. It's really not. It's just the edge, that everything, it's close to the edge that's making it appear that way. But we are getting more action as far as the amount of bubbles coming up. Again, if you look at the format of the bubbles, you'll see it's the same across. We're at 0.6 for the amps and 1204 for the voltage. The temperature is 67 degrees Fahrenheit. What I'm doing here now is an interesting experiment to give you some more insight of what's going on. That's the amperage on the right, voltage on the right, on the left. I've got two plates. Let's see if I can get a good view of that. Show it to you in a second here. That's a view of the two plates. They're both negative plates. You can see the hydrogen coming off of them. And you see where they are located. The interesting part on this is that's 0.34 amps. Now, doesn't matter whether I put this plate behind or not. I'm putting it behind, and we brought it down to 0.33. One of those plates is a little bit behind the other. But when I put them together, touch them together, we're at 0.31. Now I'm going to separate them apart again and watch what happens. 0.33, and it's only separated about a half an inch. Now I'm going to put them together again, just have them touch. And it goes down. Not a lot, but it is a difference. There are plates. To boil this down, again, it's the area, it's the electrolyte, it's the spacing of the plates